All right, let me just start that live stream. Hi, Roger. Hi, Wei. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. All right, live stream is up. Hello, everyone. Hello, traders. Welcome to today's session. Hello, hi, Gary. Good to have you. Good afternoon. Yes, sunny. Great. Good to hear it's sunny on the Central Coast. Sunny here in Sydney today too. It is lovely. After all the rain that we have had, I am happy to have some sun. Hi, Sid here. Good evening to you. Welcome. Welcome to today's session. Hello, everyone else. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, let's get started. If you have any questions, feel free to pop it in the chat box and I will answer. Welcome, everyone, to Simple Forex Setup Show. I will be going through 10 currency pairs and looking at setups for this week. So let me start by sharing my screen. Okay, here we go. I'm going to just let you know that I do not see any really good setups this week, okay? A lot of it is counter trend, so very short, low risk. So bearing that in mind throughout basically all of what I'm saying today. So let's start with GBP USD. At the moment, I'm looking at short on this. We do have the trend at the moment going downwards. It is plateauing out. So I would like here to see the price go, you know, a little bit sideways, if possible, a little bit further up to meet this trend line here. And then I would be looking for a short. If that setup does not occur in the next few bars, I'm not going to look at a long opportunity at the moment until there is a break and retest. So at the moment, still looking at short on this one. So let's see what happens in the next few bars. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro USD. He also trend is still downwards. So I'm looking at a short. Again, here would like to see price action go a little bit higher first. So possibly coming to this level here. Otherwise, maybe to that level there. And then looking for a reversal at that point. So that might take at least a few bars if it's coming to here, and it might be next few days if it's going to be further up. So let's just see, wait for the pullback and a good reversal on there. Next currency pair, I'm looking at Euro USD. So this has now, you know, come through the trend line that was going up. So we took the trade last week going long. This time I'm looking at short, but I need that price to be up high. So there is a counter trend opportunity here, possibly to go up just to this level. So it's a very small trade. Whether the risk to reward ratio is going to be good or not, it will depend how this sideways movement plays out. So you either, you know, wait for the reversal there if that happens. And yeah, otherwise, if you're going to be trading upwards, make sure that you reduce the risk, you know, being counter trend, and lower your risk to reward ratio based on where that reversal happens. Okay, but if you're trading with the trend, wait for the price to come up and go short. That is what I will be doing. Let me just check the it's AUD USD. Yes, AUD USD I'm looking at now. That is correct. Okay, next currency pair, I'm looking at GBP JPY, and GBP JPY I'm going short, same as the last few weeks. So again, we are back at that trend line. So I will be looking at short opportunities around this area once this sideways price action is basically finished. What I would like to see is if the price goes sideways, a little break, false break above this sort of level, and then I would be looking for short. That would be ideal. So let's see what happens in the next few bars there. GBP JPY looking for short. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro JPY. Euro JPY again is short on this one. It is a counter trend as we are now moving up. As we are in the middle of the range though, there is a potential that there might be a reversal at the middle of the range. So I would be looking for short at this point. Again, here would be looking at price in that range here, going sideways. Would love a false break and then looking for short after that. So let's have a look what happens next few bars and how that plays out. The next currency pair I'm looking at is USD JPY. USD JPY. That has now gone above that horizontal, what was resistance, and is potentially looking like support now. So I would be looking for price action to come back and really go long. There is a lot of distance between the current price action and the horizontal line. So there is an opportunity for a counter trend downwards if that plays out and there is a reversal. If, you know, just again, manage your risk if you're going counter trend and decrease your risk to reward ratio on that if that's what you're going to take. Ideally, I would wait for the price to come down and then take a long position there. That would be my preference. There is more potential for a bigger risk to reward ratio. Next currency pair I'm looking at is USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm looking at short. We are still going in the range. We are not quite at the top of the range. So I would prefer the price action to be high to be able to take it short, because at the moment it could go either way. It could want to go a bit further up to meet that horizontal. So, you know, it's a little bit in the middle, probably. I'm sort of not really going to be interested unless there's some kind of clear decision in terms of the direction. Next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD. Euro AUD at the moment, it is still in a downtrend and I'm looking for short, but there has been that big reversal where it could easily just break through and go in the opposite direction. So this one, we just need to be, you know, a little bit careful there. I would say I would still be looking for short, but if we have some price action that is looking, you know, breaking to the upside, then potentially might look at changing direction on this one. Again, if you want to be safe, just wait until you get a good price action for a reversal. Next currency pair is Euro GBP, and Euro GBP I'm looking for a short. So we're currently in this channel, all moving downwards. We're at the top of the channel, so I'm looking for short opportunities. I would like to see price action a little bit towards this area near the top of the channel, and then looking for short there. We will see. Otherwise, if there is a break down below these points here, then maybe looking for the pullback and then looking for short from there. So a couple of options here. Let's see what the price action does in the next couple of bars. And the last currency pair I'm looking at is GBP CAD, looking at short. So at the moment, we've gone under the previous channel. We had a test of that with the big pin bar on the daily. So looking for further price to go lower. However, on the 4-hourly time frame, in terms of the entry, I would really like to see the price a little bit higher up, and then looking for a short there. Alternatively, when it breaks below here and looking for short. So let's see that, what happens with the price action there. Okay, if there's any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I am going to pop my Telegram channel link in the chat. If you would like to see the types of trades that I take, so I do trade setups and trade management on that Simple Forex Setup in a Circle channel. You can sign up. All right, let's see questions. How to place the 11 currencies on, how to place the 11 currency pairs on the left column. On the left column, what do you mean left column? Not sure, Oscar. Left, where is left? Here, this. On the market watch. Okay, market watch, navigator. I'm not sure what you mean, sorry. Do you look at the results of the Traders Toolkit on, do you look at the results of the Traders Toolkit to trade the H4? I do use Traders Toolkit to place the orders. I'm not sure what you mean by results. No, I don't use the results. I just use my own analysis. Below the symbols. So you mean these symbols here, how to get all of them on the chart? Is that what you're asking, Oscar? Yes, okay. So what you do is just open the charts using the create a new chart. So you click on this button here to create the chart and just keep adding them. So you can add all of them, all the ones that you want to watch. Okay, so if you click on it, you can choose, Euro USD. It opens a new chart. I can go and open, GBP USD, opens a new chart. Once you have all the charts that you want to view on there, you can save it in a profile. So you go to File, Profiles, and then Save As, and then you name the profile. And once you have named the profile, you will see the profile name down here. Profile name is down here. Okay, and you can choose that profile name next time that you log in. So they're going to be in the order that you open them. That's how that works. Hope that helps. Let me just check. Do you still take a trade if the price passes like 2 a.m. while sleeping? Okay, so if I want to take a trade and I think that the setup might happen in not the next bar that I'm obviously still awake, it's further away, then I will place that trade on for 2 bars. So for example, let's say this one. So let's say I'm looking to place a trade short on this particular pair. Okay, let me just so because I'm looking for a break of this this range to see if there is, you know, something that indicates a reversal. Let's say that we have, you know, a couple of bars here and then we have a false break or something like that, but I don't have the price going down yet. Then what I would do is place the order at, you know, the break here. So if I'm, let me just put that in a different color. So I would say place the order for entry here with the stop loss above there. And I would say it would be valid for, say, 2 H4 bars when I'm placing the order. And that way I can go to sleep. And then if it does, you know, if the price does come down, then I'm triggered into the trade. Yeah. So that's how I would do it. Hope that helps. Lenka, do you view USD CHF? No, I only do these pairs. That is all I do. Oscar, you're welcome. Okay. Raja, hope that answered your question about the trades during the night or early morning. There's news coming out later this, well, tonight and early tomorrow morning. So if you're going to be up for it, yeah, that's fine. If not, then just place the order for a couple of extra bars or 1 extra bar, or just wait till the morning and then come back, see if, you know, the setup is still valid then. Okay, if there are no more questions, that's great. I will post the link to the Simple Forex Setups Telegram group in case anyone wants to have a try. I think there's a free trial for those that haven't tried it before. Otherwise, thank you so much. Have a profitable week trading, and I look forward to see you again next week, Wednesday, 12 p.m. Singapore time. See you then. Bye for now. Thank you. You're welcome. You too. Have a nice weekend.